For 3.5 years, we have been studying the book of Genesis, leaving no stone unturned. It's been a very profound journey, dissecting the lives of the characters in the first 3 halves of the book of Genesis. We are about to start the final leg of our journey through Genesis with the story of Joseph and his brothers. Before inviting you to join us take this final journey through the book of Genesis, let me share this insight. The Joseph story starts by telling us, quoting from the King James, "Now Israel loved Joseph more than all his children, because he was the son of his old age, and he made him a coat of many colors." If you think the coat had many colors, then you should probably think of joining our lectures, because Ketonet Pasim is not a coat of many colors. That is a poor translation. One common pitfall that we have is that we read the Tanakh, and those of us familiar with modern Hebrew as a conversational language make the mistake of reading the Tanakh as if it was written in modern Hebrew. And as such, we interpret words that are 3,000 years old or more as if they were words in our conversational common modern usage. For example, the word na, nun aleph, in modern Hebrew means please, but in Tanakh, it never means that. Na in Tanakh means now. The text says, Jacob made Joseph a Ketonet Pasim. It's not a multicolored coat or a coat of different colors or stripes. We translate it as such because the word Pasim in modern Hebrew means stripes. In rabbinic Hebrew, it does mean vertical pieces, vertical stripes. But Pasim does not mean that in Tanakh, biblical Hebrew. Ketonet Pasim shows up again in Tanakh in the book of Kings, where we find out that it's something that princesses wear. It's a royal wear. Pasim is your palm. Ketonet Pasim is something that reaches all the way to your palm or your wrist. It is a coat that the sleeve is so long it goes to your palm. Now, what does that signify? It signifies you're not working. You are not involved in manual labor, because if you were working, you would wear short sleeves. Now you will understand why the brothers started hating the lad in the first place. It was because whilst they were working and laboring, Joseph was just hanging out. So we read, and his brothers saw that his father loved him more than all his brothers, so they hated him, and they could not speak with him peacefully. With the correct translation of the one word, we gain an insight into the brothers' initial hatred for Joseph. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You want to know more? Join us as we start the last leg of the book of Genesis. You can find the link in the description box below.